Today we're going to do a quick install and I'm just going to show you how it's done. This kit from Amazon from Van Essentials, and this covers the hood vent. Maybe while I'm driving it can mask some of the noise. I have contacted MaxxFan to get the kit, the anti-rattle kit, and so when that comes I'll show you how that's done. But for now I'm just going to show you how this is installed. The first step is to remove the 4 screws that hold this housing on, and then I'll show you the next step. The cover has these magnets. They're like, here's one here. They're only about this big. You can feel them, then there's another one here. And so what you do is you lay this out on something flat. So I just came to the bed, put it down, and you put the cover over, and then it comes with a pack of magnets. And so you separate the magnets and it'll pop to the place like so. They're attached quickly. I find the best way is twisting the top one. If you get two, it's harder to grip. So go from one end, twist it to the top, and peel it off. Once all the magnets are placed, you want to just make sure it's square and adjusted. You can look at it back. And then you put tape over just to hold them in place. Okay, I was a little surprised by the tape thing. I was thinking double-sided tape, but then it would put too much space, I think, between the magnets. So there, it's all taped, and just screw it back in. Now when you're in colder temperatures or want it blacked out, there it is. I'm going to try driving with this as well, see if it cuts down on some of the rattle noise. Super easy fix, less than 30 bucks. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. I will do a follow-up video when I get the kit for the anti-vibration and quiet kit, I think they call it. And I can also provide the email that I used to get the kit and the instructions that they sent me. And they were quick to respond, and so it'll be great. I will post that soon as I get the kit, and take care of it.